Good morning. I went through my tobacco and it was still a little bit dry. So I sprayed it a little bit, and here's something that's not too dry. This one is a little bit dry. That one's a little bit. But these are kind of leathery. I like that. They don't get real crunchy. Like some of the leaves, the tips were dry, so I've got that. I'll just smoke that. But I want it to ferment more, and I like it just like this. I had let it set for a couple of months, and I didn't do anything with it, and I misted it 3 days ago, and I misted it today. And I put it back in the bags without crushing it, squishing it together. I had it not like that. I didn't want to do that, so. But I packed it in the bags loosely, not so. Anyway, I hope the rest of your day or evening or whatever is a good one.